G'day viewers, welcome to Ando and Annie's Philippines Adventures. In this video series we're going to look at the Movenpick. We're going to do some drone footage of the Movenpick and Putabunga Beach and go up and down the beach. On a separate video I'll talk about how to use a drone on Boracay, because you need to get permits and everything like that, so it's quite complex, but we'll discuss that on the next video after I'm finished doing the Movenpick series, which is absolutely outstanding place to be. Annie will be talking about the beach and Movenpick Resort, the pool and everything around the area in Olongo very shortly. And there's a beautiful sunset.
Okay, this is the view of Boracay Movenpick. As you can see, ang puti ng buhangin. Yan, merong shower. The coconut. Hindi gaano kadami ang tao dito, so maganda siya sa mga hindi mahilig sa madaming tao. Ayan, merong kayak rentals. Ayan, ang puti ng buhangin at ang pino, ang blue ng tubig, so napakalinis niya, which is perfect sa mga maarte sa sand like me, kasi ayaw ko ng black sand, so mas prefer ko yung white sand. Yan yung mga kayak na available nila, pwedeng mag pictorials. Ayan, merong lifeguard. Yan, pwede kayong mag-relax dyan. Movenpick is one of Boracay Paradise. Ayan, napakaganda ng view. Yung beach po ay open siya mula 6 AM to 6 PM. Ayan. Yan yung mga rules. Diyan naman pwedeng mag-rent ng mga water equipments like vest, life vest, mats. Diyan mo din kukunin yung mga towel. And ito po yung mga daily activities nila. Kids activity, dance exercise. Ayan, no fun, coffee, portrait, art. Ayan. Yan yung white kayak. At meron din silang napakagandang pool. Ayan, merong foot wash area. Ayun, yung mga bata. Ayan yung kiddie pool. Ayan. Napaka-relaxing yung place. Ang daming nyog sa palibot. As you can see, may batang so cute. Eto pa, ang cute nila.